Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 5 English language teacher. Today we will be studying about suffixes. Suffixes are the words that come after. Like for example, when you have a word endure. So if we add ance, it will become endurance. So the words that fix after the word is called suffix, and if it is fixed before the word, you say prefix. But today we are studying about the suffixes, the word that you fix after a word and then together it becomes another word. For example, endure, and we add ance, it becomes endurance. In the same way, there is a word apply, but if you add ance, it becomes appliance. And in this case, endure, in the case of endure, you remove e, the last e will be removed, and in place a and ce will come. The rule number 2 is that apply, the last word y will be changed, and it will become I, and then a and ce will come. Now here are some examples of a and ce and e and ce suffixes. Attend, attendance. Absent, absence. Annoy, annoyance. Guide, guidance. Absent, absence. So on. You can see so many words. Radiant, radiance. So let's have a practice of the words. Then we practice some words. Page number 68. So we did these suffixes with the children's help. You all helped me to do these. So number 1, def, diff, defense. Avoid, avoidance. Intelligent, intelligence. Excellent, excel, excellence. Reside, residence. Taller, tolerance. Differ, difference. Ignore, ignorance. Grief, grievance. Distance. While, violence. Preserve, persevere, perseverance. Then we studied about the mean and the helping words. Now what is a main verb? Main verb, you know the verb that is used. For example, jump, fly, kick, helping, coming, going. So these are the main verbs. Now every main verb always needs a helping word. There is always a helping verb before the main verb. So it helps the main verb to express the action or make a statement. So I have given you, you will do this work also in your copies. Then you will copy down the definition of main and helping words from here till here, and the examples of the helping word from here till here in your copies as well. So you can see the helping words: am, is, are, was, were, be, has, been, have, had, do, did, may, might, must, can, could, shall, should, will, would, does. They all are helping verbs. Now let's do this exercise. You'll be better understand how to use the helping words and what are the helping and main verb. For example, you have to circle the helping verb and underline the main verb, and then you will write that what verbs are these. Are these past, present or future? So we started. Number 1, Saf had built his first box for his horse last year. Had is the helping verb. Built is a main verb, and this tense is past tense because he has done it last year. He has painted it green, white and purple. Has is helping verb, painted is verb, and it is present tense. Saf is building a model rocket. Is helping verb, building is a verb, a main verb, and this is present continuous tense. Then number 4, it will fly many feet into the air. Will is helping verb, fly is a main verb, and it is a future tense because will is used. Again, this is also will is a helping verb. Pop out is the main verb, and this is future. Then again will, so it is future, and bring is a main verb. Then I am is a helping verb, buying is a main verb, and it is present continuous tense. We did this. Then we discussed, come on page number 69, we discussed about this question. Imagine you own a horse. How would you take care of it and feed it? How would you keep it? Write a paragraph about it. use mean and helping verbs in the past, present and future. So this work you have to do. You write a paragraph about your horse. You will think that you have a horse, and then you will write about how will you take care of the horse, and how will you feed it, how will you provide the care, how will you take care of it, and where will you keep everything in a paragraph form. And then you will make a nice drawing of a picture of a horse, and if you cannot make the drawing, you can paste the picture of the horse also. This exercise is to be done in the copies. This this the headings, this from here till here, and the helping verbs, and this exercise also to be done in your copies. And after that, the paragraph on my horse to be done in your copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.